Have you ever been to the beach and seen the beach houses way up there? Have you ever wondered how those pilings are installed that the beach houses sit on? Well, I got my tape measure, I got earplugs. Let's walk through it on this episode of Texas Coastal Construction. So there's multiple ways to install pilings. The way we really like to do it here on the coast, especially with the sand bottom, is by driving them into the ground. So we're going to bring out a crane with a really high intensity air compressor, and we are literally going to beat these things into the ground. Before installing pilings, the first thing we need to do is get what is called our house corners provided by our survey company. So to find out how deep we need to drive these pilings, we need to look up here. This is our engineering plans, and if you look at this, you see these pilings need to be driven 16 feet 6 inches into the ground. And then to find out our piling locations, we use this. This is also provided by our engineers. So combining with our house corner survey, our installers use that for the outer pilings, and then from there they use those measurements provided to locate the positioning of each and every piling that we need to install for this house. And as you can see, counted up, we have 18 pilings that we need to install. The step that they need to do is round off these edges so that they can fit inside the auger. The next step that they do then, they also run a stringer right down the house corners. And then as you can see, they mark the placement of each piling with a black line that is measured using our structural engineering plans. It's 14. So when that line on the piling hits our stringer, that will have us perfectly at our height of 16.6. Our depth of 16.6. Well, I guess I can take these things out now. So it's been a little over 6 hours. We got all 18 pilings installed. Off camera, I measured all the distances and all the widths. Everything checks out to our structural engineering plans, and we hit all of our target depths. So if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful or informative, maybe help me out tremendously. Give me a like, or if you want to, I'll put links down below to the video series I'm doing documenting step by step how to build a coastal beach house. So maybe hit that subscribe button, and until next time, we'll catch you on the next episode of Texas Coastal Construction.